Hi there, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. This is everything I ate today. I plugged it all into Chronometer and these are the macros of all the food that I ate.
What do you find?
I'm with Mom. I think I'm going to get a thick cut pork steak like I usually get. And I'm going to get a side salad and some cottage cheese. And I'm here with my lunch date, Judy.
She come with two. Oh yeah, that's right. I usually get
Side salad and blue cheese. And there is my pork steak with no sauce and cottage cheese. That's how it looks with sauce. So there's the difference. So I told y'all I went to the thrift store the other day. I got 3 pair of really nice pants. They're real thick, good quality pants. Problem is, I'm 5'4". So I just broke out my sewing machine that I probably haven't used in about, let's see, probably since I moved in. So probably about 10 years. And I just hemmed these up. Now, if you're a seamstress, please close your ears. I'm not done. I have to clean up the strings. I grew up, Mom would have us pull it through from the outside to the inside, the 2 strands, and then tie them in a knot on the inside, just to kind of help them stay. But anyway, so all I do when I do it, hang on. I'll zoom out. Okay. So the way I do it, you can still see the strings. I turn them wrong side out. And I had to roll these twice. So I roll once, roll twice, and then zoop all the way around. Guys, knock it off, I'm talking. So I am 2 hem lengths too short for regular pair of pants. So yeah, I know it's not perfect, but I did it. Hey, quit fussing, you two. Stop it. They're trying to play or something. I don't do a straight line, but these are another pair of pants. I mean, these are good, thick, dense pants. Let me see what the brand is. I don't know brands, so y'all just forgive me, but JM Collection, size 14. These are JM Collection, size 14. Hang on, let's see what the ones I have on are. These are East 5th. Size 14. I'll try on one of these others so you can see the difference in how they. Okay, that's these. I like that they're kind of pants. You know, there's a little bit of pleating. There's some pleats up there. Oh, that's not on me. That's the mirror. Yeah, don't judge the mirror. Anyway, so they covered my front butt. That's what I call, my pooch. I call it front butt. They cover my front butt pretty good. And they're nice and high. So, yeah, they're real, like I said, really good quality. To me, they feel like, okay, this is my comparison. You have Lane Bryant quality, which I feel is on the same level as CJ Banks and Christopher and Banks level. They're like really good, fine quality. And then you have, and that's probably like with J.C. Penney's and Macy's. Then you have some of like the cheaper stores. So like your Avenue, your Woman Within, your Walmart, some of the box stores. But these to me are like on the same quality level as like I said, I don't know who makes this company. One of y'all shopping people may know. But anyway, they to me they feel like they're on the same level as oh, who did I just say? Dadgummit. They're on the same level as like J.C. Penney's and Christopher Banks and oh the big, oh my gosh, the one I just said. I'll probably write it in. Anyway, these are nice. They feel nice. They're not like cheaply made. So anyway, so $2 I think or $3. I don't remember. But anyway, and then some yarn or some thread to do some hemming. So I don't think they look bad at all. Yeah, I probably could iron them. Move, dog. But like I said, now I have to pull the thread through and make a knot. So, dadgum, what is the name of that place? Lane Bryant. Oh my Lord, you people. I don't know how y'all put up with me. I just don't know how you put up with me. Anyway, these are Lane Bryant quality pants. Okay. Anyway, so I did these and I did these gray fun ones and then these solid gray. To me, I guess this is like a granite type gray. So now I'll just get the little strings and pull them, just pull it to the inside and I'll tie them in a knot on the inside on all 6 legs. And there you go. That's what I did after I got home from eating lunch. I ate lunch with Mom and I finished up making a hat while I was there. So yeah, it's only 4:15, so I'm not eating supper or anything. I just wanted to do this. The dogs think they're dying though, because I woke up at 5 this morning. And of course they have to eat as soon as I get out of bed. So usually I feed them about 6:30. So they think they're on their deathbed right now because, you know, it's 4:15 and they don't understand why, you know, they don't understand time, but they just know their stomachs are growling and they're ready to eat. Okay, bye. Also, I have to do my coffee prep tonight too. So I did my pants and yeah, so we'll go do our coffee after I feed the dogs. Hello, we're going to start the coffee cup assembly line. So, I need to use this stuff up. I do not see an expiration date on it, but that don't mean there isn't one. So, I'm going to go ahead and put a squirt of this. Well, let me prime it. It's been a long time. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put a squirt of this in each one. Like I said, I just need to use it up. This is a Torani sugar-free vanilla bean. And I just realized, no, I shouldn't be doing this now because I always do all the dry stuff. Okay, well, I just kind of messed myself up. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hang on. This may set up like concrete. And I may have to remake them all again. So this is not the scoop that came with the, next it's my protein powder. I use Isopure Zero Carb, and this is half of the amount of the scoop that comes with it. So, because these are 110 calories, so I do half a scoop, and I'll put a scoop in each one. Man, I can't believe I did that. Well, I'm so used to adding the water. Well, I'm used to adding the liquid, whether it's almond milk or water or whatever. I'm so used to adding it that it just was instinct. So this may set up like concrete and I may be cussing in the morning. But since I use hot water, maybe that'll work. Maybe that'll kind of break it up. We're just gonna go with it. Just gotta go with the flow. Alright, so there's my protein powder. I have a bunch of these Cafe Bustelo coffees I want to use up. These are espresso. So, I'm lining them up so I know which ones I've done when I'm done. you, and you. Might as well get these out while I'm at it. Then I use one of these Element chocolate salt. I like this flavor in my coffee. Look, if you've been doing keto and you don't use electrolytes and you're feeling great, do not do what I'm doing just because I'm doing it. You do what feels better for you. I feel better when I have electrolytes. Some people feel worse. So don't just do it because you see me do it, you know. I'm sure no influencer. I ain't even got a code, so I'm definitely no influencer. And then I'm going to put the little lid on. Come on. And I'm going to put it in my box. Next ones. I'll cut the lid caps off. And I'll pour it in. Put the lid on. Yeah, I really don't know how it's going to change since I put that liquid in there. I don't know if it's going to gum up and be like concrete or what. So, anyway, I'm really proud of myself. I hemming up those pants. A friend of my coworker said, you know, I saw a TikTok the other day about how to hem up pants without anything or without having to sew. And I was like, oh man, I need to watch that TikTok. Well, I got home from Mom's and I was like, Terry, do you really want to make an extra trip somewhere just to buy something so you can hem up these $2, $3 pants? And I said to myself, nope. So I said, let's do this. So I dug out the old sewing machine, and that's when I did my pants. So that worked out really well. Thanksgiving, Mom and I called around to see who's open because we want to go eat and then spend the day together. So Thanksgiving, we're going to go to, we thought about Cracker Barrel. They're open. But then, that Golden Corral. Golden Corral is open. And I haven't been to one since probably, I don't know, it's probably been 15 years since I've been to a Golden Corral. And I've never been to the one here in my town. So we're going to go. I figure it's going to have the best options because a lot of those places, there's somebody who's cutting the meat. And it's usually some kind of meat that's not super saucy. So if you've been to Golden Corral recently or on the Thanksgiving, let me know. Like I said, you know, all the steak places are closed, and we even tried our old hole in the wall place, the Huddle House. We tried them, but they're going to be closed. But anyway, so yeah, I'm thinking that buffet would be perfect because I'll be able to choose what, you know, vegetables I'm comfortable with, what meat I'm comfortable with, and if there's not a whole lot, I can have me a good old chef salad or something. So it's one meal, one day, and I'm not going to have any desserts or anything like that. The only kind of dessert I may have would be like a couple pieces of fruit. That's my version of a cheat or a dessert, is just plain fruit. So I might have some fruit for my dessert. But anyway, yeah. So that's the game plan for Thanksgiving. And these are all ready for tomorrow. Can't believe I put that liquid in there. Well, we'll see. It is what it is. I don't know. I'm not starving, obviously, with that big old pork steak. And I'll figure out how to put that in there. And then, and the salad and cottage cheese. I can plug all that in to my chronometer. So stay tuned till the end and I'll have it on there. But I don't know. I'm thinking for supper, I might just have a couple eggs. I'll show you what I have when I get there. All right. We're going to have a couple eggs for supper. I had made some tallow a while back, a long while back. So I've got about a, I don't know, teaspoon, tablespoon in there. And we're gonna have the last two of these eggs that I have in my refrigerator. So I just don't want something super big and heavy, but I want something. So hang on, let me wash my hands off. Okay. I didn't have my act together here very well. So let me, I need, here. No. I'm going to do 2 servings of bacon pieces, which is 14 grams. Don't be afraid to put things back in if it's not the right amount. Okay. Salt and pepper. Listen, by the way, I was talking in comment section and I realized I did not salt and pepper my eggs that I made yesterday like a ding dong. So yeah, that's definitely something I left off of my egg muffins. But you know, I can season them at work. I keep salt there, not pepper, but salt. So that'll be all right. And I'm going to top it off with 1 full serving of cheese. Turn that off. Move this over here. Watch out, pepper dog. Whew, that's a lot of pepper. Alright. I'm going to eat it off this paper plate. So let me just dump it out onto here. And then I'll zero it out before I add the cheese, so that way I know. So I know what I need. Get rid of that. Okay. Zero you. Well, I'm doing a full serving, which is 28 grams. Okay, there we go, and this is cheddar jack cheese. I like to buy shredded cheese and keep it in the freezer until I use it again. Or until I open it. That's been in my freezer probably a few months until I opened it this weekend. Alright, so that's gonna be my supper. Have a good night.